Alrighty then, mic check, here we go. Admittedly, I am not good at these kind of days. This is a Monday grinder, but we called it from the morning session. If you missed the morning session, you want to go back and watch it and then see how it played out. As I said, continue on that grind, and I said it would likely be difficult. Now again, I can't ever say I predicted with 100% certainty, but if I have to play in the levels of experience, it is a banking holiday in 2 major regions, in Japan as well as in the UK, which means there's going to be less volume, less players at play. And if the market starts going in a direction, it can just grind and continue going in that direction because there's no volume to stop them, right? There's nothing in the way. Kind of like it's easier to walk through thin mud than it is thick. So there's no thickness, and it just continued to grind up there from the morning all the way to the afternoon. So slow though, right? So slow. And again, I am not good at these kind of days. I tell you guys, there are certain maps that you're really good at in video games, and then you got those ones that are like, I'll play that level, but I'd rather not if I didn't have to. This is that map for me, you know what I mean? Like, I don't like this kind of day, and definitely not my favorite. Let me see if I can get connected up here to the live stream. There we go. Somebody please post the link there in the chat, would be amazing. So let's see, we got that grinder push, and I was able to participate in that move. It started with the beautiful Enigma right there, and then this took forever. But then we got the double cross after an Enigma. This is, I don't want to say my absolute favorite trade, but it is definitely a favorite. I know some other members have said the same thing, especially some of the veterans in here. We've got, who was it that recently also called that? Soulman! Soulman had also liked that. I think Plutonium as well. You get that Enigma, then a double cross. They play it as a DCDM. I had drawn these out. I had a bunch of lines up here for the measurements on that, and all of them got touched. Final exit for me up here on this 13.3. The $400 superstition did play in for me. I mean, I was joking about it in the chat, but I posted screenshots as it approached that 3600. Like, it just, as it got up here, I'm like right there, I was at 3600. Okay, no joke, right there, 3600. And then it does one of these numbers, and I'm like, oh, here we go. You know, didn't close out, held up onto it, but did end up getting, after the break, I stopped out underneath this cross for a loss. And then, like a boss, audio box starts coming in. We get the Gartley Diamond Crab combination, then audio box starts kicking. We get the break of structure right there with audio box. Start entering into the position again and start exiting my positions as this goes up. I think if I hit Control E, yeah, this might show it. So we stop out as we break underneath the cross, but then re-entry coming right here, entries. I pull off some targets right there as we approach the high into that shark. In case the shark pushed it back down, we had R1 right up above us. The screenshots were there in the chat there for R1 on the high time frames, and hoped that was going to be the attraction point to push it on up there. And then there she goes. I added to position as audio box started coming through, and then boom, closed out the rest of the positions there as we touched into the 13.3 to try to get me up over my 4K target. It was a tough one getting from 3600 to 4700. That was definitely tricky. And let's see what we can do here this afternoon. What's up, everybody? Don't forget, trading is risky, but if trading is for you, this might also be the place for you. Let's get that countdown going, and I'm going to grab a coffee. Let's go. Welcome aboard, everyone.
What exactly is ALGO, and why do our traders absolutely love it?
Michael Oates room.
DCDMNQ on the 2.
How about now? Test 1 2, test 1 2. Oh my goodness. I have been gabbing away there trying to tell you guys and teach you guys everything. All right. Well, go back and watch this morning's live stream. I walked through how we do what we do here, all the things around on the screens here, because we are getting into the meat of the heat. I was trying to explain out all of the good trades there I took this afternoon. No audio. Sorry about that. I'm just now glancing over to the chat. It's tough doing this live stream thing, I tell you. I feel like I'm juggling sometimes. Trying to trade at the same time. Tricky, but ALGOBox makes it easier. I'm here and buyers step in on my double cross and cluster move here. I was just talking about just moments ago if we did come back through that area. Wanted to give that a shot We are currently longs favorable. And speed is not great. We are down at 11. So we do have a grind. And as we're coming and grinding down, who knows? Sometimes they can get this big push down first. Yikes, that is a sell supply. All right, my stop will be under that cross here. I will close out under the cross. Yeah, just close it. Okay, so let's watch. We know we've got a ton coming in right here. Okay, that is the meat of the node. You can also see that right here. Not a big deal here. We will watch how this plays in, but tons of lines will be lining up right here. And let me check that mic sound real quick. Make sure, because sometimes when this comes back online. All right, there we go. No, looks good. Hopefully that's good. Let's check on Windows security, make sure it didn't turn itself back on. Real time is off. There we go for the speed. Wait for it. All right, here in buyer step back in here, and I'm going to give that one more shot here, and I'm going to extend it out. I see a cipher up above. Again, I'll look for runners when I'm going with the Mac VU. Okay, another order flow event that could be dangerous. Just whipped back down, so that could have trapped traders in, including myself. Finger of the close. I'm going to peel off half here. Too risky. Nope, closing it. Okay. 3,600. Still. Superstition. You guys been around a while, you know my $400 superstition there. That 3,600, flirting with it. Saw it on the screen again, looked over on the left, saw 3,600, and it was like, don't forget me, boy. At least that's how it sounds in my head. He was like, nope. Alright, so we are in the diddle. How about I just stop trying to fight that? Fiddle in the middle, right? I am fiddling in the middle. Gave it a shot. It didn't go. Not going yet. It's not ready yet. Here comes king timing. Let's see. Okay, Gartley. Let's see if the Gartley holds. A break of structure with audio box, and I'll go ahead and take it as a re-entry. Love that cross. Gartley structure holding. Cracked. There we go. Here in the audio box. And we've got Crab, and I saw Cypher right up here as well on VL2. Broken structure with audio box clacking. Hopefully she grinds right up there for me into the crab. Crab target filled. Finger of the close. Remember, I am only doing this because I am what? With favorable direction and with the Mac VU, right? Otherwise, we'd be in T1, T2, and be up and gone, right? Okay, got that Cypher potential, and I've got another harmonic PRZ up top if she decides to go for a run. Okay, go ahead and close her out there. Here in sellers, we got some space to king timing. We'll see how it reacts off of that king timing. Again, a lot of work for not a whole lot here in the diddle. All right, we did not get to 50 likes, and I am 15 minutes past. I don't know, should I give you guys a second chance? It's only at 45 likes. I'm at 18 minutes. I'll go ahead and close out the stream now. In 10, 9, 8, 7. We need 4 more likes. 6. We need 3 more likes. 5. Gonna need a few more. Oh, we got it. 59 likes. Just in the nick of time. 250. All right, appreciate it. We'll hang out. It's a tough day. Again, like I said, from the beginning. Well, actually, you guys didn't hear me say any of that, did you? Man, you guys didn't hear none of it because my mic was jacked. So I started out the stream right away saying this is not my favorite type of day. This is a start at the high on a Monday, grinder, holiday from external banking holidays for Japan, for the UK. Low volume, so could be going, but it's not going to be quick. It's going to be a grind. Yeah, the speed feels like ES. Yeah, we're on NASDAQ and it feels like ES. This is the day, by the way. I'm telling you, for the people who trade, you know, still fight me on, oh, I'm going to trade ES. Oh, really? How'd that go? How'd that work out for you today? When the market gets normal, things are problematic, right? And again, I'm not telling you to trade just NASDAQ, but trade something that's at a proper speed. Like even right now, this is bad speed. In fact, if I had the psychology module turned on, it would be telling me right now, hey, this is not a good time to trade. It is, the speed is absolutely wretched, right? Not the easiest play style. It's already telling me, right? So I'm playing with caution. But yeah, it has been grinder, which is, you know, we're staying on the right side of it. We're going longs. We're not trying to fight it, but even that is trickier. So should we be on AB1 with this speed? Yeah, actually, you are right. In fact, let's do that. Let's showcase that right now. Perfect time to go down to the ones. Yeah, I'm gonna go ALGO bar ones. Hadn't seen ones in a while. The market has been super fast lately and just been on a tear. Look at this. Even on the ones, it's at 28, so under 30. So my giant overlay text here with the giant X is still saying, even on the ones, the speed is so bad right now that it's still not easy. Tiny ATM. True, but I'm still going for smalls here because I'm going to be playing bigger plays. Looking for... Going to be going king timings, going break of structures, all that fun stuff. And with favorable direction. If I'm going against it, then yes. Alright, there's a buy supply. Alright, back of a shark. I hit it a little bit too early there. It did not crack. Stack 10. Yeah, not going to risk a lot there. Yeah. Got in too early. I got in too excited. I heard it coming up and thought we were breaking the shark. Did not break the shark. End up, that is a mistake trade. Oh, legal teams. All right, let me call these. I got to talk to these guys. I'll be back.
Speed of NQ52. Speed of NQ52. DCDMNQ on the 1. DCDM NQ on the 1. Speed of NQ 104. Enigma short on the NQ1. DCDM NQ on the 1. Speed of NQ58. Speed of NQ78. Fib.NQ on the 89. Fib.NQ on the 9. Speed of NQ81. Speed of NQ53. Speed of NQ52. Enigma long on the NQ1. Speed of NQ51. Speed of NQ56. Speed of NQ56. Speed of NQ59. Fib.NQ on the 9. Speed of NQ60. Enigma long on the NQ1. Fib.NQ on the 9.
Alrighty then. Anybody still here? Okay, so that was long calls with one of the legal teams. Exposing scammers. Such a fun business, I tell you. Okay. Where are we now? Still continuing to grind up. We are at the high of day, as we anticipated before. I can't believe I missed out on that 12.1. We missed that one. Hopefully somebody caught that 14 there. This is where I just came back over after getting off of one call, and then he said he was going to take a few minutes to get me a document, and I got the document, and then, of course, I had to get back on a call. Let's see. So this one did not work, and then I tried to get long with it, and then I had to get off on the call. But yes, the secondary would have played up to the target line there. And then after the target line, gold line reversal and down. 14 picks it up, and we go. Enigma to the continuation. Should have been able to capitalize on that. $400 superstition strikes again today for me. The 3,600, the market's like, nope, Vinny, you've had enough. All right. We got a few people still hanging out. Beautiful. Let's see. 3:45, 5 minutes till the 350 algo. And then a lucky sevens, and we are playing at high of day. 10.6 makes the turn on a grinder. Okay. VL1, 2, and 3 are at R1. So we reached R1 and a touch. We've got a red dot on the 89s. It's on the back of a divergence into the Bollingers. So again, like I said, not my favorite days to try to play. But when in a grind, do not rewind. Nice moonshot. Hopefully you guys caught that moonshot up while I was away. Okay. MacVU. Neutral. Interesting. Okay, so you can play both directions. That even makes it more difficult. So both directions can be played. We've got half up, half down across the correlated instruments. Just got a little snap there, 346.
NQ89. Speed of NQ89.
Hearing buyers just step in here. I'm just going to jump in on a 10 and see if that can be my friend here and give me anything without ripping me a new one there. Hearing just buyers all over the tape there. That'll push us up there. That'll take that. Okay. On the 10-4. Let's get an extension to the middle of the cross. Okay, so there's the gold line. Target up above. Hopefully we get an Enigma for an entry, would be awesome. 350 algo coming in about 3 minutes. 2.5 actually.
DCDMNQ on the 1.
All right.
Speed of NQ 111.
I am so not good at grinder days, but you just have to do it sometimes. You know what I'm saying? You just got to do what you don't want to do, right? I mean, that's what you got to do. Basically, the very thing you don't like to do, you have to do it, right? Beautiful. Double cross, double move to the target. Audio box on cue along with it. Confluence. Beautiful stuff. Trade count. I think I lost count, but I think that's trade number 4.
Speed of NQ 56.
All right. 4 lives down. 1 to go. Let's look at my bumpy P&L today. This, like I said, from this morning, knew it was going to be tricky. Yeah, it's been a tricky day. Very tricky. 89. Still, that bar is not finished. It could tail. It could turn into a tail.
The NQ1.
Oh, I gotta take that. Here in sellers, got my finger over the close. Target 1 filled.
Speed of NQ.
And we better close it. Yikes, here comes the 350 algo. 350 algo in effect there. Hold tight here. 350 algo kicking. It's getting crazy. Watch this spot here. This is the re-entry if we get it. Cipher up above. Okay, there's the supply. Here we go. It's about to go. Which way is it going to go?
146.
MACVU still showing neutral. Can be both directions.
146.
Here's king timing. Ooh. A drop. Okay, so divergence play. Pushing it off. They want to keep it around R1, looks like. Okay. Break of a diamond. Give me an Enigma. Supply. Feeling very whippy right there. So I should be switching to 2s right now. Speed is at 146. 2s would be a better place to be.
Speed of NQ 58.
Here to buyers into a supply. And potential, looks like possibly a trap down there. Let's see. See if they just trap me to the upside. $400 superstition smiling at me again. Closing it. All right. Bottom of the cross break. $400 superstition is legit. Again, at 3,600 and has been a battle since. There she goes. Finally. Way behind it. Way behind it. Tried to start entering in right there. Is way behind it. I'm talking too much. Not playing the game well.
Speed of NQ67.
$3,600 is flashing over my eyeballs on the left. I can see my overall P&L. It's $3,600. Not even kidding you. It's staring at me. $3,600 superstition. Cracking me up right now. Stack 20. I'm not going to risk it. I'm doing stack 10. Most I'm risking now is 10. I'm not... It's literally, it's at 3,600. The P&L will not go over 3,600. Not kidding you. It is flashing 3,600, 3,400, 3,480. Nope. See? Can't do it. The $400 superstition is real. What is the deal? The $400 superstition strikes again. It's like, no, I'm not letting you do it. And there it goes. Yeah. Oh, I'm on the ones, should be on the twos right now. So again, things are going to be a bit bigger on those. So tricky. And again, I have been, you know, I really haven't been here. I've been dealing with legal team stuff and all that kind of whatnot. Prepping cases. It's going to be awesome. Gonna get some justice. Justicio. Yeah, I missed all that. It's too fast. Can't react. It's too quick. I'm on the ones. I can't get that. If I do, I'd have to go big.
On the NQ4.
Big and close it out on my own.
Speed of NQ 172. Speed of NQ 172.
Targets filled. And I'm back to 4,700 on the day, so it was in the cards. It was in the cards. It was in the cards. 3,600 was all the market was going to hand me on a grinder, and then at the very end of day, it's going to give me a push and give me an extra 1K and it's going to do it with a smile, but too risky. The speed here is super high. The 10,900 held in there today. I will be getting that 13,900 on ASAP. So right now, I need some help. Those of you guys who are masters of overclockers, where are my overclockers? If you guys have a good 13,900 KF video, would be amazing. So the settings that I tried to do last night, trying to get the 6,500, 6.5 gigahertz was, I guess, a little bit hot. I don't even know what I've totally done. I made all these changes, and the memory configuration as well. I think that the memory timings might have been the bad one, but I'm gonna have to go get a different monitor to connect to it to see what's going on in the BIOS, because the one that is hooked up with the gigantonormous Odyssey curved Samsung Beast is just doing something weird. Like it's not detecting even the monitor thing on it right now. So I'm stuck at post boot, but if you are an overclocker and got some tips on it, do let me know. I want to get that one online. I was able to remote into it, had it ready to go, but it was running like 5.3 to 5.7 gigahertz. Still had the E-cores running and all that other kind of stuff, so disabled E-cores. So hopefully we'll get up to 6 gigahertz on those, at least processor cores, 1, 2, 3, and 4, but at least 1 and 2. All right, I want 2 cores just to be able to burn it up for the live streams, so that even when the market gets super hot like it did earlier, I want to turn on Speedy Chart. If you guys have seen Speedy Chart in action, Speedy Chart is awesome when it's working well, when your PC can keep up with it. And I want all of that and then some. Oh, look at this double cross double move. I'm gonna take a quick stab at it. I may regret that, but I'm gonna do it. Get up there. It missed my target by a hair, of course.
Speed of NQ 110.
Two minutes to the close there. King timing coming up there. There's the king timing. Let's see if it's going to close down on me. Get up there. Get up there. Go. 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 Push it. Push it. Push it. Push it. Push it. Push it. There's the supply. Which way is it gonna go? Get up there. I think she's mad at me for breaking the $400 superstition, so there we go. There we go. Come on, crack it. Crack it. There you go. I am the Kraken. Whatever, I got my 5K, I don't care. 5K in the chat! Oh, that's where it's at.
Yeah, boy.
Oh, you gotta love Audiobox. Thank you, Audiobox. You, my friend, are a rock star. You know who's not a rock star?
ICT. 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 ICT.
All right, we got our 5K on the day. Beautiful stuff. Let's refresh and look at this crazy, difficult Monday. We made it. Survivor Monday. Get on your Survivor shirt there tonight. Check. 5K. Superstition. 4K. I'm sorry. $400 Superstition. Cracked. Oh. Utimus. Gotta love it.
Enigma short on the NQ1.
Whoa. They disbelieved on the faith basis only that I was taking every single trade that I showed examples of. And normally, I do a pretty in-depth editing process.
I bet you do a pretty in-depth editing process there, bro. So we made that 5K. So let's talk about lessons here from today. Someone asked about the break of structure. I want to talk about one of my favorite ways to take a break of structured play. Write this down. This will be worth your time if you stay to the end. Check this out. Write these notes down. A break of structure with audio box kicking, especially after a trap. Look at something that looks like a trap. Maybe something like a deep leg down into an area. Everybody's looking down, looking in some direction. Okay. My first opportunity, usually right here after one of those, if we get a break, especially in the direction of the favorable direction or the Mac VU, either one of those are fine. In that direction, favorite one. Sit right here, maybe at the back of a butterfly. Let's see, let's move over here to the left and find one. You guys saw me do this morning several times. So we're coming up in an area. Looks like, boom, big trap coming in. Cool. Next break, boom. We enter in on the break of that bat right there. break of structure with audio box. Make sure you hear audio box, like not just clack, clack, but all of a sudden it goes as it goes through that. Yeah, that's the sound right there. Okay, boom. Oftentimes, you'll get that crack of structure that can be used as an entry. Oftentimes, yeah, we're going to look for the other side if we get a cross, or let's say it's an enigma. I'm not saying do that. Okay, but just a pure break of structure, just structure. Mind you, when the algorithms are kicking, they are, I like to think of them as obeying structure. It's like, you must obey. Oh, like, oh, we got a PRZ right here. Okay, that's a shape. Yep, we got to do a thing. Okay, it's like, it knows it's supposed to do X, Y, or Z, but when it doesn't, that means we're shifting, right? And oftentimes we can shift. Here's another good one. Boom. Big trap, probably a four-legged dog trap. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, right? That's a four-legged dog trap. 4 LDT. You guys learned that in my training. If you have not, go to the documentation section, algoboxpro.com. Just click on the top, click on how to, click on documentation, and then all of our strategies and things that you guys have learned from me over there on the left-hand side with screenshots, pictures, images, and text if you don't want to go through the videos. Boom. We get that trap, push up. Now, want to see for a break of structure. Here's a shark, okay? Shark, initially, though, it does push down. So you're like, well, it did push down off of that shark back. Did it touch target 1, though? No, it didn't. So as it breaks structure, boom, right here, I can take that as an entry. I will do that, I don't want to say quite often, but especially in a market where I'm in a grind, it's a great one to use. When in a grind, do not rewind. We have been grinding all day. We're longs favorable, so I want to take those break of structures to the long side, like I did multiple times here earlier today with audio box. Make sure, plus audio box. If you do not have audio box kicking, then just don't, okay? Right there, audio box, you start to hear that kicking in. Boom, that is a great play. That is your tip of the day. It is Mentorship Monday here tonight. I don't know that I'm gonna be able to do one, but I'm gonna try. So Mentorship Monday, hopefully, if we didn't have it, don't worry, I'll do it tomorrow with you guys. Hopefully that is a good one for your Mentorship Monday, coming and hanging out. If you have not done a 2-week free trial yet already, down below. If you want the absolute best deal ever, better than Black Friday, we only do Black Friday twice a year, at the end of the year and Christmas in July, of course. Or you can come and have a chat with me, and I will beat that offer for you and give you not only that special discount offer, but you can also get a payment plan with me. But you do need to send me a direct message inside of Discord, and you need to be part of our Discord trading community. And if you've been banned from our Discord trading community, well, probably got banned for a reason. You probably know why. So you trolls, you guys can suck it and smoke it with ICT. All right, folks, thanks for hanging out. For me, Pippi, Robbie, Lovespot, Montswan, Curtis, G, and Eddie B, I am sending out the Big H down. See ya! Art team, take it away!
Forex
Speed of NQ57.
crooks, black hat guys, all this kind of shifty characters and companies trying to extract money from your pocket and stick it into theirs. And one of the things that they do is operate these Forex signals.
Delta 5 loading. Long. Look for long. Harmonic pattern. Pick up. Down on freeze. Order filled. Target filled.
The old adage where, the individual investor doesn't have a chance with the institutional investor has better technology, better information, and, more money and better opportunity, I don't think it's real anymore. I think the edge is on the individual investor because they're small, they're nimble, they can trade, they can use advanced front-end technology.
Don't waste your time. Leave the technical analysis to us. You just play the game.